Hey everybody, Scott from Bonefish Sailing, and today's the second day of heading over to the Bahamas. This guy got me an eye infection that delayed my departure for about 3 or 4 days. Thankfully, it's getting better after a visit to the vet that was much less expensive than I thought. $95 for everything. And I was expecting a couple $100 bill at least for having to bring him in, on an emergency basis, basically. I got some very upsetting news yesterday. A friend that I met, where I was anchoring for much of, he was there from when I arrived last July until a couple months ago, and headed out to Puerto Rico. I'm not sure if all his family's been notified, but his boat caught on fire the night before last, and he did not make it off. So, I always say, be safe on the water, and I could never mean it more than today. Rest in peace, my friend. Please be safe on the water, everybody. Make sure you've got smoke detectors and fire extinguishers and all the safety gear that you should. Thanks to everybody.